This is the final video to solve Shrunk terminal and display issues in VS Code. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve Shrunk terminal and display issues in VS Code, and I'm going to share them with you. The first method addresses issues stemming from corrupted VS Code settings or extensions, which can sometimes interfere with UI rendering, leading to display anomalies like a shrunk terminal. By resetting VS Code's user data, we effectively revert to a clean slate, removing any potentially conflicting configurations without reinstalling the entire application. This works because the user data directory stores all your customizations, workspace settings, and installed extensions, and a clean reset ensures that any faulty data causing the display problem is eliminated. Our second method involves adjusting VS Code's experimental UI rendering flags. Sometimes specific rendering engines or features within VS Code might have bugs or incompatibilities with certain hardware or operating system versions. Toggling these flags allows us to experiment with different rendering pipelines. And if the shrunk terminal is caused by a rendering glitch, switching to an alternative or disabling a problematic feature can immediately resolve it by forcing a more stable rendering process. The third approach targets potential issues with the VS Code application itself or its core components. Updating VS Code to the latest stable version is crucial because developers frequently release patches to fix known bugs, including UI rendering problems. This method works by leveraging the collective bug fixes and optimizations that have been implemented in newer versions, ensuring you're running the most stable and compatible build. Lastly, we consider operating system level display scaling settings. If your operating system's display scaling is set to a non-standard percentage, it can sometimes conflict with how applications, including VS Code, interpret and render UI elements. Adjusting this to a standard percentage like 100% ensures that VS Code receives accurate scaling information, allowing it to render its terminal and display elements correctly without distortion.